What up, FPV enthusiasts? So I'm about 5 minutes out from the Air Force Museum to compete in the race today. I'm fortunate enough to live only about a half an hour drive away, so it's really nice for me. But we'll be meeting up with familiar faces like Nappy and Props Off here, as well as a whole lot of other awesome pilots I can't wait to get to hang out with today. I will be qualifying in the afternoon. I'm getting here a few hours early just to kind of hang out and see what's up and get an early look at the track outside of the set. I'm definitely really nervous. So this is my third year competing here, and I've never made it in the top 32 to actually get to race again in brackets on Sunday. So I'm just fingers crossed that I can actually pull that off this year. If not, no big deal. It's just kind of a goal I wanted to set for myself. Like at the Air Force Museum, I actually want to be able to qualify. So we'll see how it goes. Regardless, I'm going to have tons of fun, and yeah, we'll get some footage. I'll share some flight footage. So I'll see you there. All right, guys, so we are at the Air Force Museum. The AM qualifying is going right now. I will be on in the afternoon. I've been walking around saying hi to everybody, and yeah, everyone looks like they're having fun. Give a little pan around here, see what we got going on. We've got Props Off over here checking out the new box goggles.
So, guys, just to announce, if you are here for Friday PM,
people are starting to roll in. There's a lot more people here now than there was earlier, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll check back in before it's my turn to fly.
Pilots, there's one thumb, two thumbs. Kathy, good to you from our sponsors. Once again, who make this event.
All right, guys, the Nappy has arrived.
What's up, everybody? Go sub to Hypnos.
Go sub to Nappy. He needs it.
Hypnos first.
Nappy needs to hit 2K before summer, so.
My goal is 2K before 2026.
There you go. Let's make it before summer. Oh yeah, Nappy has a new channel here. Nappy, tell everyone what the channel is.
I have Nappy Snaps on IG. It's going to be film cameras and also Polaroids. One by Polaroid soon. I just spent a bunch of money on other stupid stuff, so I held off on Polaroid and bought disposable.
All right.
Nappy Snaps.
Nappy Snaps on Instagram. Yeah, check it out. It's really interesting. I'm excited to see what sort of photos and stuff he gets. Well, everyone's getting excited. I'm getting nervous. It's almost fly time, and I choke under pressure.
I need to cut my sleeves off.
Yeah, you need to.
First place.
No.
So going on Hypnos out front.
Let's go Hypnos.
He has the current best PE in his group with a 125. See if we can improve on that. EG1 goes on to his second
EG1 82.31.
81.
30 seconds remaining.
He had a little couple bobbles on that one. His first set was looking a little better. See him improve here.
Alright, nice start for everyone. Everyone clean through and out the door. Oh no, Ari hits the top of the display and he's back up.
Looks like everybody got read by the timer this lap, so Hypnos might be in better condition.
Hypnos and EG1 were together. EG1 goes down, Hypnos out front right now. And the ladder spinning around to this. Ooh, eclipsed the gate there. I'm pretty sure he went through. And he's found his way back onto the track. Nice work. Oh, that was a mid-air between
EG1 needs to go back around the dive gate, or back around that pole behind the dive gate after he did his dive.
The very back pole.
Yeah, you're doing great. Yep,
There you
good
go.
job.
60 seconds remaining.
All right, here comes Hypnos. Had a mid-air there, so this is not going to be one of his fastest laps.
Hypnos
But
FPV
still 61, so if he gets
61.33.
another one of those, he will improve. I think his last round will have to double check.
EG1 71.82.
It's looking good. Ari's looking fast, so as I say that, he goes down in the square tunnel.
30 seconds
And he's
remaining.
going to the rec center. He's going to get 2 laps here.
Yeah, good stuff for Ari. Looks like Hypnos is on lap number 2 as well. He's been
Ferrari
flying really good.
100.5.
Ooh,
hits
he
the
hits
bottom of the
the
plane.
top, the bottom of the
Seconds
plane, and
remaining.
then slams into the ground upside down. That can happen really quickly. We're going full speed for some reason. You get turned around by something you
Time's up.
touch, and now you're full speed into the
Finish
concrete.
your lap and then
Yep.
land.
I think it's still going to be close though.
EG1
He
finished 2
improved his
laps
time.
in
Still, 61, but both of the
123.6.
times have crashed.
Please
But he
land.
does jump up into 19th with the 123. Nice work for Hypnos.
All right, FPV enthusiasts. So I figured I would make some use of this new setup that I'm working on here. It is a work in progress, but I wanted to take a few minutes just to talk about my experience from the Air Force Museum race and kind of how I think it went for me. Wow, it was just a blast hanging out with all the other pilots and stuff like that. When it came down to my flying, I feel like I underperformed. If you remember back at the beginning of the video, I was like, man, I hope I can make it into the top 32 and actually make it into brackets for the first time in the 3 years that I've competed. And well, unfortunately, that didn't happen this year. As a matter of fact, I actually qualified 2 spots lower than I did last year. Last year, I finished 44th overall. This year, I was 46th. Even though I finished 46th, 2 spots lower than I did last year, I feel like I did perform better. Like I flew better overall than what I did last year. I did go back and watch my best run from last year, and I was like, yeah, I feel like I did a lot better. I think the competition was just better overall this year, which played a factor into me actually ending lower than last year. That being said, though, like it was so much fun. I had a lot of fun hanging out with all the other pilots and stuff. You know, hanging out with Nappy and Props Off. They're local for me, but you know, I still don't see them all the time. And then seeing all the pilots from out of state coming in, it was fun just to be able to just hang out and talk FPV. You know. I did have trouble getting off the block a couple times. I think my first couple packs. The first one, my receiver wasn't like connecting, so I was like, what's going on? And then it eventually did, and then I was able to take off. And then the next pack, I had switched quads because I was worried that something was going to happen with that one again. And I had put fresh props on all my whoops before the event started, so that was like fresh props. Well, I hadn't worn them in, so these fresh props actually got stuck on one of the ducts, and I just spun out on the block and couldn't go. I was like, what? This quad was just working fine. Like literally the last pack I flew on it less than 12 hours ago. And yeah, like that fresh prop just was not having it with that duct there. So that was an issue, but then I eventually was able to get up, and then I flew that pack like angry, and all the way up until my very last pack, that was my best run, just because I was like, 2 packs in a row, my first packs, I can't get off the blocks, and I just went, and like I said, that was my best run all the way until the end on the HG0. And then I had another run which would have been my PB, like hands down. I think I did my first lap in like 53 seconds. I'm not entirely sure if that's correct, but I know it was my fastest. I got most of the way through the second lap, and then bam, black screen. Just like I hit a gate and everything just lights out. I was probably like 4 or 5 gates away from finishing that second lap, because that's what we needed, was 2 consecutive lap times for our qualifying times, and it would have been, it easily would have been my best. But you know how it is. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to take a minute just to kind of give my thoughts as to why I underperformed. You know, it is what it is. It's excuses at the end of the day. I'm just providing excuses to why I am a terrible pilot. All jokes aside, though, thank you guys for watching this far into the video. I'm definitely going to keep working, and I'm going to make it into that top 32 eventually next year. Is it my year? Let me know in the comments if you think so. also, you know, there were several of my FAV friends' faces seen throughout the video here. I will go ahead and put links to a few of them for you down in the description. So definitely head over to their channel, subscribe to them if you're not already. You know, check out their videos for the museum. I'm sure everyone's already got videos out. I'm so late to the game on this. I'm like a month past the museum and recording this here. But yeah, please do that. That would be awesome. I'd really appreciate it, and I'm sure they would too. And yeah, that's all I have. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for listening to me complain. And I'll catch you guys next time.